In this video, I'll show you how to find the Wi-Fi password on the Epson EcoTank ET-2400, ET-2810, L3250, and other similar models that don't have a display screen. This password lets you connect your printer directly to your smartphone or PC without relying on any external Wi-Fi network. So it's a direct printer connection, but first, you'll need the Wi-Fi direct password, and I'll show you exactly how to get it. First, turn on your printer and wait until the power light stops flashing. Now, using two fingers, press and hold the I button and the Wi-Fi button at the same time for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then release both buttons together. You'll see the two Wi-Fi lights on the left start flashing alternately. Wait a few moments until they stop, and only this light stays on. Great, you've just activated the printer's Wi-Fi direct mode. Now to find the Wi-Fi password. Insert 3 sheets of paper into the paper tray. Then press and hold the I button for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release. The printer will start printing 3 pages containing your Wi-Fi information. Okay, the printer is printing now. Once it's done, you actually only need the first page. So take the first sheet and right here you'll find the Wi-Fi direct name and password for your printer. All right, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions.